But yeah, I would say the battle on the bridge and the fighting sequence of Red Monster in the pit were quite interesting to me. The overall shot dynamics that were there in the sequence when Mr. Red and the team were battling on the bridge was great. I think the number of characters and overall scale of the environment where all this action was happening was huge and beautiful. I guess everything, all this contributed to the success of this particular sequence here. As a rigging supervisor, my responsibility was to create and look after all the assets, setups, and related requirements. So for the Red Monster, also the show requirement basically was to have more realism in the overall dynamics and the aesthetic of the characters. So apart from the basic rig setup that we do, we use Ziva Dynamics for characters like Red Monster and Jumbo Monster, few other monster characters, where you can show all those skin slides and movements in the body. For Red Monster, we did muscle dynamics, simulation setup, rigging setup. Especially this character Red Monster was having a transformation as well. Basically, the Red Monster was transforming from large variation of himself to his smaller and younger version. So we did a transformation setup as well. This also presented us with some good R&D opportunity on the kind of setup that can facilitate animators to show the overall transformation of the character from small to his younger self. It was quite fun working on this particular character. This is one of the favorite characters that I have in this show. There was a lot of R&D done on characters like Seamew Larchend is one of the particular character instance that I would like to mention. Also for Red Monster transformation or Peachtree transformation. Since the requirement of the show differs from that of usual bipeds or quadruped characters, where like the character requirement keeps on evolving as the show progresses, we had our share of fun developing and making sure all this works well for the animation. So as an example, the Seamew Larchend was quite an interesting as well as challenging character at the same time. The shot requirement for the tentacles of the Seamew Larchend was changing for every other show with fighting actions like grabbing, pulling, or using it as a sword as well. We created multiple variations of Seamew Larchend main rig as well as the tentacles that are being driven along with the character, and which actually allows us, our animators, to tackle the challenging action requirement of the shot by switching the tentacle setups real time in the scene fight. So at the shot level, they can basically switch to whatever variation of the tentacle works best for their shot. Yeah, there was this time like when we were working on the Seamew Larchend tentacle variations. One of the artists was working on the tentacle setup, had this tentacle dream one night, and he came back and told us next morning where he actually saw himself with all these tentacles attached to his body. So yeah, like I think people were quite attached to the show and the story of the characters. All this basically keeps the things interesting on the floor.